Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to access the Android Data and OBB folder. From Android 11 and above, we now have problems accessing those folders. It gets more difficult in Android 13, 14, 15 and 16 and so on. In this video I'm going to show you how to access the OBB and data folder using root. I'm going to make another video on how to access this folder without root, so stay tuned for that one. So if you want to access the OBB and data folder on Android with root, you have to download this app on Play Store, ZArchiver. As you can see right here, my Android device is already rooted with kernel SU. So what I'm going to do is to open the kernel SU next app and go to super user. You can see that I've already granted root permission for the ZArchiver. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change some settings in this app. Open the app, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to settings. Now go to root. Make sure you turn on file operations. Support file operation as the root user. And also turn on use for Android Data and OBB folder. So these are the power of root if you have a rooted Android device. The restriction will not affect you. So let's try and see if it works. I'm going to refresh the app. I'm going to copy this text to Android OBB and paste it here. As you can see right here, we can now access the OBB folder fully. This is just a MP4 video, one of my end screen. I'm also going to copy this video to the data folder. Paste it here. As you can see right here, we now have full access of the data and OBB folder on Android with the power of root. In my next video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do this without root. So if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel.